Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Welcome to our English speaking class, kids. How are you all? Can you please one by one tell me how's the weather in your side and how are you all? Yes, Maaz. First of all, tell me about you, and then gradually you can let me know about yourself. Yes, Maaz. How are you, Maaz? Maaz, can you hear?
Assalamualaikum.
Walaikum
I'm
assalam.
I'm good.
Okay, have you done your breakfast?
Yes.
All right. And what about Abdurrahman?
Abdurrahman is not available here.
Okay, it's okay. Abdurrahman can see the recording or you can note down the homework or classwork. Okay. Now,
Inshallah.
Salar, can you tell me how are you and how's your day?
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Walaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
I am fine, alhamdulillah. The day was very good.
Okay. So, kids, only Moaz have submitted his homework, nobody else. Kindly, today is our second class of this week, and tomorrow will be our third class. So, rest of the 3 to 4 days, you would have to submit the homework. Kindly try to submit the homework. I'm repeating the homework again. Yesterday, I told you that the video which I have shared in the group, which is Kayu's, a boy whose name is Kayu. You have to watch that video for the very first time. You have to watch it, and second, third, and fourth time, you have to listen that video only. Put the phone upside down, and 3 more times you have to just listen that video and keep your notebook in your hands and just focus that how the way people are communicating in that video and note down that particular vocabulary words. You have to note down only words, not sentences. Only focus on your listening power. Only focus on whatever you are hearing at that time when you are watching the video. So you can easily get to know gradually, consistently, when you will do the this activity kind of listening. So simultaneously and gradually you will get to know the way the people are communicating. In the beginning, you will have some difficulty for understanding, but gradually you will understand, inshallah. So try hard to be consistent to do this practice. Yes, Salar, you want to say something?
Yes, I wanted to tell you that the weekend is nearby and I will, share my homework and the other things as well regarding the greeting part because I didn't do any of the homework. And, I have some new words which I didn't use for a while. Took them out from my vocabulary log, so I would like to share it with my dear brothers and sisters.
Sure.
Yes, so
Yes.
Teacher, did you like my sentences?
I loved your sentences. Your star is on the way. You will get your star, inshallah. Okay, Moaz?
Thank you.
I
Thank
love
you.
to hear your voice, audio note. Alhamdulillah.
Okay.
the first vocabulary
Thank
word
you.
is hastily.
Welcome.
The first vocabulary word is hastily.
Okay. Salar has worked to find out some vocabulary hastily.
Yes, it means talk fast. Yes. Yes, it means talk fast. Now, for example, I'm telling you a word sentence. Ali shouted hastily as he didn't want to get caught. So here we are getting to know about a personality, Ali, who is shouting hastily, fastly, so that he cannot get caught. Okay, the second word is chuckle. If we see its synonym is giggle or snigger. And Now let me tell you its meaning. Chuckle or giggle or snigger means laugh quietly. Okay, it means laugh quietly. I go a minute. I go a chuckle out of my mom's joke. Now, in this sentence, I am telling about myself that I go laugh quietly out of my mom's joke. The third word is hushed, and it means a place very quiet and still. You understood by that that I came to a place which was hushed, a place very quiet and still. Okay, now the fifth word is strolling. Now it means walk very slowly. I stroll sometimes in my garden. Yes, so it means I am walking very slowly in my garden sometimes. So,
Salar,
Yeah.
rest of the words you can share in chat. So everyone in WhatsApp group. So everyone can see that the words, and they also can make the sentences regarding these words. I have written in chat, so you can see how many words Salar have found out all by himself. So likewise, it's up to you that it's your option. It's an option that if you would have time and you are interested in finding new words, so that would be a great activity to get more words, and you can crowded your head with new vocabulary, so you can easily make sentences in your daily conversation. It would be very helpful and very effective.
Teacher, can I share new things?
uh, Kindly raise your hand who has the dictionary.
Can I share new things?
Yes, yes,
Hit the roof means
yes.
very
Hit the
angry.
Yeah, I've
And
heard Maz. I've heard the voice note in the WhatsApp.
hit the books means steady, and hit the bed
Hmm.
means to sleep.
Okay. So this is the optional activity. If you guys are interested in finding new words all by yourself, you can find out and write the synonym and sentence, and you can share it in WhatsApp group so everyone can learn. Right? So yes, kindly let me know that who has the dictionary right now and who use the dictionary, who has started working to see the dictionary, because it is very beneficial for you and it is very helpful. Okay, that each and every single time, if you want to see a new word, if you want to know the meaning of any single word, so you can use the dictionary. Salar has raised the hand. Salar just started to see the dictionary. Before that, he didn't practice. This practice is very good practice, because if you will make your habit, so you can get to know new words on regular basis, inshallah. So kindly, I would recommend you all that you guys have to keep the dictionary with you all the time. The whatever you are doing, which activity you are doing, you have to use the dictionary. You have to make your habit to use the dictionary, so you can get to know new words, and you will easily make your conversation more effective. So let's get started. Today I want to show you some wait a minute. Today I want to show you some video regarding telling or explaining about the routine description, how to describe your routine life as we have done yesterday. So let me share my screen so you can let me know. Wait a minute. Let me share my screen. Yes, everyone can see this screen. Yes. Okay.
voice coming?
Yes. Yes.
kindly pay attention that how the way this boy will describe about his routine. So we can take the help how to describe our routine in this way.
Hello everyone.
Hello, sir.
Sir, what are we going to do today?
Today, George is going to describe his day. George,
Yes, sir.
describe your day please.
Okay, sir. Every day, I get up early in the morning, around 7 a.m. And then, I brush my teeth. After that, I go to the park and do physical exercises. When I get home, I take a shower and get ready for school. I have breakfast with my family, and then I go to school. My classes start at 8:30 a.m. and end at 2:30 p.m. After that, I go home by bus. And I have lunch. After lunch, I sleep for an hour. At 5 p.m., I go out to play with my friends. I get home at 6 p.m. My mother gives me milk to drink. After that, I watch cartoon shows. After watching TV for half an hour, I do my homework. I usually have dinner with my family around 8 p.m. And I usually go to bed around 10:30 p.m.
Very good, George.
Thank you very much.
Thank you for watching. Do not forget.
Yes. So I hope आपको you can easily understand because this is very easy video and the boy was speaking very slowly and describing very well about his routine, daily routine, that what he does on regular basis. Whatever is the same thing in our routine, we can, in this way, we can explain it, okay? And after practicing about describing our routine life, then we will discuss about how to talk about explaining our present event or present situation, or how can we describe about our past situations, like if I had a trip last week or if I had a trip last year. So how can I elaborate about that? So far we need to focus that how can we describe or elaborate about our daily routine, that what we do in the morning after waking up and how does we start our day. Okay, kids? So this week you have the rest of the 4 days to do this practice. I will share this video in the group. So you guys have to do practice all day, like all week. And on Monday, you all have to be ready to present about how to elaborate about your daily routine in this way, in a complete manner. You would have multiple days, couple of days to describe it. So you have to get prepared. Even though you already, everyone already had done this activity yesterday, everyone tried hard to elaborate about their daily routine. And I must say, everyone was doing very well. But it was not complete day routine you elaborated. So after watching this video, after doing the practice from this video, take some hints how the way you can elaborate about your daily activities, how the way he explain about his routine from the morning till sleep, till night sleep. So you guys have to see it properly and take a lot of help from this video to get prepare yourself for describing your routine. Okay. I hope Hashir and Ashar are with us. Are they?
Yes, I am.
Great.
I am Kalna.
All right. So today we need to talk about some phrasal words as well. But yes, yesterday I told you some idioms, and I realized that those idioms are little difficult, and you can say we have to discuss these idioms in next level. Right now we have some lesson. I will discuss about the lesson. Yesterday, I've shared the lesson about the daily routine dialogues. I hope you guys have done these. Who did the practice of these routine sentences, which I have shared? Morning, I wake up early in the morning. I brush my teeth. Wait a minute, let me share the screen so everyone can see. Yes, everyone can see the screen? Yes? Anyone can tell me?
I can see.
Screen is visible? Yes, Moaz.
Yes.
Okay, great. So here you can see the lesson in the chat. I wake up early in the morning. I have shared the lesson yesterday about morning, school, afternoon, and evening. Another lesson was some dialogues about the switchboard, that at home you guys have all you have guys have the switchboards, multiple switchboards in your house. So you can see these dialogues and do the practice with your mom. I am not right now reading it because we have to do the picture description activity today. So we will have some time left. So that's why we have to wrap up the things quickly. Another lesson is home chore, regarding home chores and errands. Let me explain to you a little bit that what does the home chore means.
Can I tell?
Does anybody know? Yes, Salar, can you please elaborate what are the home chores?
Home chores mean
घर के काम.
Yes, Moaz? Pardon?
घर के काम.
Okay, great.
But
You can explain it in English that the things or the tasks which we do during the daytime at our home. So these are the home chores. Or else Salar can also elaborate. Yes, Salar.
I was saying the same, that home chores are the responsibilities which we do in the house, such as mopping the floor, making dinner, making breakfast, and making the house clean, and
Dishwashing, clothes
yeah,
washing.
locking the door, filling
Okay.
up jugs and water bottles.
And what about errands, Salar? Do you know about the errands?
Rents.
Errands. We run the errands as well. What are the errands? Like we do the home chores inside the house. So we run the errands outside the house. Like for instance, Salar has to fix his cycle, or Salar has to fix his car. So he has to go to the workshop
Mechanic.
to fix it. Yes. If we have some electricity issues, so we used to go outside to bring the plumber, or we used to sorry, not plumber, due to the electricity issues we can call the electrician, or else we can go outside and bring the electrician to our house to fix the problem. Likewise, if we would have some issues like tap water issues, or sometimes we have the pipeline leaking issues, so we have to call the plumber. or we can go outside and bring the plumber. Salar, I asked Salar that, can you please do this errand for me? Can you please go outside and bring the plumber here so he can fix the leaking pipe of sink or wash basin or washroom? I hope you got understood the meaning of errands. Okay, this lesson I'm not going to read it. If somebody has any issue, because in tomorrow's class we will discuss all these three lessons. If there would be any issue, I will explain it. Okay, and right now I am going to show you the picture which we need to describe. All right, wait a minute.
Teacher, eating dinner is a house chore or an errand?
What are errands, Mars? Can you tell me?
जिससे एक बल्ब खराब हो जाए
Speak in English.
और
Try hard. Explain it in English.
when a bulb is broken, then you have to fix it yourself or bring the electric man, then who can fix it.
Perfect.
The
That's perfect.
answer is
Okay. Now let me show you the picture. First of all, Ashar, you can describe the picture. Wait a minute, let me share the screen. Yes. Yes, Ashar, can you see the picture properly? I want you to describe it. That what you can see in this picture. Yes, Ashar, are you there?
yes.
Okay, kindly.
I think so. It is dinner.
It is dinner table.
It is a table. It is a table near the kitchen.
Okay, which
Nearby.
place do you think this is? Which place is it?
It is the kitchen.
Okay, it is a kitchen. Okay, all right. What else you are watching, you are seeing or you are watching this in this picture?
I see a watermelon and a pack of milk
Okay.
and a knife and a ketchup.
All right, Ashar, that's great. Now, rest of the things, who else will tell me? Hashir, can you tell me? Yes, Hashir.
Yes.
Yes.
About a table, right? I should explain that all.
Whatever Ashar told about the picture, a part of those things, you have to tell me something else. That what else you are watching this in this picture?
Like a
What?
cupboard. There is this boxes above the kitchen,
Mhm.
and there is a picture at the front, and there is a table and chairs, and nothing else. And there is a tap too.
Okay.
And
Okay, good job. Yes, Ismail, are you there, beta? Yes, Ismail. Can you tell me about this picture? Can you hear, Ismail? Okay, Maz, can you tell me about this picture?
there is a kitchen, and there is a watermelon on the counter, and a milk bottle, and a knife. and there is a dinner table, and dinner is served. I can see some hot dog, but a bottle of ketchup and milk glasses,
Hmm.
and a family picture over here,
Okay,
and
that's
there's some chairs.
all right. So, Abdurrahman, yes, Abdurrahman. Abdurrahman is available now, or he's still not available?
He's not available.
Okay, okay. Sorry, I thought he is available now. Yes, Salar, can you please?
Yes, if we see up close to this picture, so there is a tap as well as some water, and there are some drawers and two cabinets as well. Not two. One,
Louder.
2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 cabinets and 4 drawers. Water here. This is the basin.
Sink,
Yes, and as you can see here, so this is the cat or dog pet's feed.
feed pot.
Yes, feed pot.
Okay, what else?
Nothing else in this picture. Here we can see in this photo about a mother and a father and 2 children, a daughter and a son.
Mm-hmm. Perfect. Let me tell you guys more about this picture. We have 10 minutes left for this class. So let me tell you, this is how can you start to describe this picture? That I can see in this picture that this place seems like a kitchen. This place seems like a kitchen. Okay, and here I can see the top and downside there are 3 cabinets, 1, 2, and 3 cabinets, and 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 drawers, and on the top side we can see 4 cabinets. All right, and on the top of the, you can say cabinets, or you can say top of the kitchen stop, you can say. This is called, sorry.
On the counter.
Yes, exactly. So, which things are kept on the top? It looks like a milk, carton of milk. It's a watermelon, and this is a knife. Okay, table knife, or I think chop knife. And this is the tap. This is the sink. Okay, I can see a dinner table or lunch table where food is ready and family is about to come to have food. It might be a time of lunch or it might be a time of dinner.
It cannot be a time of dinner because in dinner we don't eat hot dogs, chips, and these type of ketchups.
It can be possible. People used to eat this kind of food in dinner as well. So we can't say with confirmation.
Most of the time they eat it in lunch.
Yes, you can say. So there are 4 plates on the table. There are 4 glasses on the table, as we can see the picture. In this picture, we can assume that there are only 4 members. Okay, there are only 4 members in the family. So table is ready for the 4 members of the family. And here there is a food or there is a cat's or dog's feed pot where cat or dog can have food. Here is it looks like there might be a door of outside going outside the kitchen. So maybe people are just coming inside and having dinner or lunch. This is it. And what else? We can also say that there is a
Background, color.
family picture hanging
You are
hanging
right
on the
about
wall.
this.
There is a family picture is hanging on the wall. Okay?
And there's 4 family member and 4 children.
Sorry?
There are 4 children, and in picture there are 4 family members.
Exactly. Okay, so this is the way we can describe about the picture. So this was the activity of today's class, and tomorrow we will discuss about those 3 lessons which I have shared in the WhatsApp chat, WhatsApp group. And you guys are you don't have to worry about having or missing the homework. As I told you, rest of the 4 days you have to submit the homework which you are getting tomorrow, today, and you also got yesterday. And I'm repeating the homework again, that the Caillou's video you have to watch and listen. Don't write the sentences, don't write the conversation. Only pay attention on listening and focusing the words which you can write down in the name of vocabulary. Like, for instance, Caillou is talking to his father, and some word he is using that you think that if you will remind yourself, learn that word and add in your conversation, so that would be effective. So just write down the words, and after doing the listening practice you can write down the sentences of those words and send the homework in the chat. Is there any question from anyone regarding understanding of homework or something else? And mothers, I have a tip for you. As yesterday I told you, if there would be any object around you, you have to this is the regular activity that on the go you are doing the cooking or doing something else. So you can start talking to your child that, like for instance, around the child, there would be an object kind of pen or ruler. So you can ask, Muaz, can you please elaborate about the pen? Ismail, can you please elaborate about the ruler? For what purpose we use the ruler, or for what purpose we use the switchboard, or for what purpose we use the fan, or and try to talk about the weather, weather, how to describe the weather. I will also share the lesson regarding weather description. The lessons which I am sharing in the chat, WhatsApp chat, don't worry about that. That I'm sending the lessons consistently. They would have the burden to the kids. No, I am sharing these dialogues lessons for your easiness, for the mother's easiness, that they can easily make sentences and they can easily talk to the kids. If they would have the particular dialogues, sentences, so they can easily talk to their kids and do the practice. So kindly start practicing these lessons. I am sharing these lessons just for the sake of your help. Is there any question from the mothers or anyone else? So we would have to wrap up the class, as we have 4 minutes left only for this class to finish. Yes. After 2 to 3 weeks, we will start speaking practices on regular basis. Like, for instance, we have 2 classes in a week. So one by one in every class, one kid will teach us. Like Moaz will teach us for 10 to 15 minutes. He will teach us how to learn the English lessons and how to describe the picture and this and that. One day Ashar will be a teacher, one day Salar will be a teacher, and one day Ismail, Hashir, and Abdurrahman will be a teacher. So try hard to do the things. After some weeks, we will start this activity.
And me,
Yes, Moaz?
and me,
Yes.
would I ever be a teacher?
Yeah, sure. Right now?
Yes.
Sure.
No,
No.
no, later.
Okay, let's do the role play for a while. 2 minutes left. Hurry up. Salar, you are a teacher and Moaz is a student. Hurry up. Do the activity, role play activity. We have 2 minutes and we have to utilize these 2 minutes. Start.
Which type of role play?
Okay, you are a student. Moaz, be a teacher. Ask the question from Salar. Hurry up. Yes,
Hello,
Moaz.
Salam. How are you?
I am fine. What about you?
I'm also fine. Have you done your homework?
Alhamdulillah. I am a homework doer.
Very good student.
Thank you for your fake praise.
Take care.
He's a teacher, with due respect.
Allah Hafiz.
Moaz, ask him that where is your homework? I didn't get your homework.
Show me your homework.
I already sent it in chat with a lot of strength and capability. I had done it.
In jazz.